Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to today's video. In this video, we'll be discussing some of the things that differentiate the best home security systems offered by Lifeshield and ADT. So, this comparison video is for you if you've been looking for insights into the best home security systems, but are unsure of which company's service to subscribe to. Between the two, here's an overview. Lifeshield versus ADT. Lifeshield, the home security company, is now known as Blue, a home security systems company managed by ADT. Lifeshield is considered one of the best home security system companies, thanks to the fact that they offer a reliable and easy DIY home security installation system with all of the security features you need for peace of mind. And after merging with ADT in 2020, the company now offers homeowners access to the best kind of DIY home security, along with expert-level monitoring services that include 24/7 monitoring, customizable security solutions, and the best part is that the users are not required to sign up for any long-term contracts just to try it out and use the services. So anyone who wants to fix their home security system in a way that makes sense for them might like what Lifeshield has to offer. They also boast compatibility features with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa for easy control and the best intelligent home system you could ask for. But even Lifeshield is imperfect in that their equipment collection is quite limited. And also, they don't extend their customer service support for 24/7 access. So in case of downtime after hours, you'd have to wait or try to fix the problem yourself, unless the monitoring team is aware of the problem and fix it in time. ADT. As mentioned above, ADT purchased Lifeshield in 2020, forming Blue by ADT. But even after merging, ADT stands out as one of the biggest home security companies, offering the very best security systems and the best solutions in the industry. And so it remains one of the most reputable companies to get home security from. To prove this, ADT boasts at least 9 companies that monitor their customers' service 24/7. Not customer support though. Unfortunately, access to this level of service delivery from a company that's been around for more than 140 years comes at a high cost. To access all of their security features and perks like the ADT app access, smart home control, or video monitoring, you'd have to spend at least $60 a month. Lifeshield versus ADT. Features, services offered. Even after the buyout by ADT, Lifeshield still offers its customers the build-your-own-system option, in which customers get to set a home security system that works best for them. All packages start with the basic package that comes with an entry keypad, a base station, a yard sign, and 1 free month of professional system monitoring. On top of this basic plan, the 11-piece package, you could also get at least 4 additional add-on features or functions that include the glass break sensor, 4 door and window sensors, a camera, flood and temperature sensor, or even a keychain remote. At an extra cost, you could pay for the 15-piece expanded package that includes 6 door and window sensors, 2 motion sensors, an indoor camera, and the free 1-month monitoring by the professionals. There's also the package with the Blue doorbell camera system, but generally all systems come with an entry keypad, mobile app integration, security cameras, door and window sensors, motion sensors, fire safety sensors, and flood and temperature sensors. ADT boasts monitoring systems through their landline and cellular monitoring services, and you'll enjoy professional home security system installation and consultation services from ADT's experts. The smart home controls are also a great addition. All packages offered by ADT will feature a keypad alarm with a backup battery, a motion detector sensor, and contact sensors for all the doors and windows in your home. You could also get the optional add-ons that include the carbon monoxide and the smoke and heat detectors. The other features incorporated in your ADT home security include the ADT Touchscreen Panel that connects with your cellular network and ADT's control app. This panel connects to your ADT monitoring center, where, and this is so cool, you will speak to someone at the monitoring center directly, thanks to the multilingual panel with a 12-hour battery backup system. This panel also integrates with Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa to better control your voice. This control means that it will be easier for you to arm, make adjustments, or disarm the sensors and other smart equipment in your home. The video monitors are also quite impressive. 720 HD video systems that will detect motion and warn you in case of emergencies. Verdict: Lifeshield is now ADT, meaning that if you wish to buy a home security package under the Lifeshield name, you are buying an ADT product. As mentioned above, Lifeshield is now called Blue by ADT. So, although the packages may look a little different, you are buying a product from the same company. That said, you may want to subscribe to Blue by ADT or Lifeshield if you'd like the build your own home security system option. On the other hand, ADT boasts the most robust smart home integration systems, working with Amazon's Alexa, Google Assistant, Z-Wave, Nest, and Google Home devices. That's all for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching.